Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel name stands for VK Tech Insights, and welcome back to my first video of my channel where I am planning to upload videos daily related to internships, hackathons, Google Cloud Solutions, Excel, Tableau, and Power BI as a free of cost to all the people. And stay tuned and do like and subscribe. It motivates me to post daily one video. And coming to the today's video, the project and the internship title stands for Build with Gemini XPRIZE Google. The title stands for rupees 2 crores in prices. We have to build an product within 90 days with the use of Gemini. So 2 crore in prices, build with Gemini, ship products that impact the world. Sorry. Okay. So what they are given in the sense, you have a 90 days of plan. Okay, you have to ideate, build and ship and grow. The first one is that pick a real problem worth solving. AI helps you scope it, right? Use the AI technology like Gemini and everything. And second, you have to build a working prototype using AI. You have to build a working prototype. Okay, so using a AI and ship dev. And third one is that what you have to do, deploy a business that operates with AI, real users and production. Okay, and fourth one, market it, grow it, show the revenue. So what they have said, they have given you a 90 days of time period. Okay, you have to build a real product, real revenue and real business. So what are the steps they are given? Ideate, build, ship and sell. So what they have mentioned in the sense, AI is transforming everything, including what small team can build. Operations that are used to make entire engineering within plain English executed by AI agents. Wait, so what they are saying that the AI software engineers will be demanded. The demand will be raised from 45 million software developers to over 1 billion in the next few years. Everyone will be a developer wanted to start now. So they're asking you to show your skill with the AI agent. Okay. Requirements what they have given, build a business in 90 days with real customers and real revenue. The hurdle, your business operates with AI in one of the categories. They are strictly saying that you should use AI in one of the any of your business apps, right? So the 5 categories what they have given is education, human potential, transforming how we learn, grow and achieve our best, and entrepreneurship and job creation, fueling the tools that help new founders and economics thrive. And you should help the entrepreneur job creation. You should increase the learning also, and small business and services, powering everyday business with tools and compete and win, right? And money and financial assets, breaking down to barriers, capital and financial freedom, professional services and access, right? Okay, so what you have to submit, GitHub repository should share to be shared with the testing at devpost.com and judging hacker fund. Okay, so any public or private, if you are keeping private, give the access to the via GitHub. Okay, so 3 minutes video demonstration you should perform. The AI should be in production, right? And return narrative, what the AI should perform, what is performing, what are the features you have did, and you have to write a actual and potential and revenue evidence. So we have to include a straight dashboard, bank statement, simple project. So corporate ID, if someone is using their company, they can use this also. Expenses also, what you did, in the hackathon, that also you have to do. Okay, and project evidence, so execution log, AB usage, screenshot of dashboards, anything you can do. Customer evidence such as contact info, real customer names, testimonials, feedback, etc. Okay, so 2 crore in prices, rupees 5 lakh for first place and 2 lakh for second place and 10 lakh for third place and another 10 lakh for fourth place, and fifth place also 10 lakh, runner up 50,000 is clash, and education human potential, one winner will be selected for 50,000, entrepreneurship 50,000, small business services 50,000, money and financial services 50,000, professional services also 50,000. Judging criteria all is that business viability, teams with real business during the hackathon and generate revenue. This is viability. AI native options, run their business through AI only. So it is AI native operation. And category impact, table should meaningfully move the needle chosen category at how fundamental level. So how your AI performing on the fundamental level, they will be judging on that. And coming to the rules, right? I will explaining the date and timing. Submission period start from May 19 to 2026 to August 17 to 2026. Judging period from August 18 to September 15. finalist pitch and winners winners will be around 25th September. So those who are interested in hackathons, kindly just participate in these hackathons, and those who want to learn the AI, just practice it, and you can show as a proof of work for your future companies. It will be a good thing. So take care, and we'll be meeting in another video tomorrow, and I'm planning to post daily one video in English. Okay, so take care and bye.